in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find out TV brands that support Netflix. So if you want to buy a smart TV and you'd like to know if your TV comes with Netflix app installed, then Netflix has provided this information that you can just check out. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright guys, so you don't want to buy a TV only to go home and find out that you can't access Netflix app unless it is an Android TV where you'll have an option to access maybe Play Store or download this app. Most of the TVs only can allow you to access pre-installed applications. So how do you know if your TV brand that you want to buy supports Netflix? To find this information, just head over to Netflix official homepage or official website, and here it is. Then just go ahead and scroll down without even signing in. Just scroll down up to the last page here, and under this you will see we have this option called ways to watch. Now if you click on this page, it will take you to these Netflix supported devices. You're told watch on your TV, phone or computer. And here under TVs and TV streaming devices, we are told many TVs, TV streaming devices and media players come with Netflix app included. To get started, use the link below to learn how to get Netflix on your device. So these are devices that comes with Netflix pre-installed or gives you an option to install Netflix on them. And among them we have Amazon Fire TV, Stroke Stick, Apple TV, Chromecast, Hisense TV, LG, Panasonic, Philips, Roku TV, Stroke Stick, Samsung, Sharp, Sony TLC, Vestel, Vizio. However, there is a note here. Netflix may no longer be available on some TVs and TV streaming devices made before 2015. So if you have a TV set that was made before 2015, then most likely it didn't come with Netflix or it doesn't support Netflix app. So apart from this, we still have so many other TV brands that were not included on this list. So just go ahead and also find out before you just buy that TV, because so many brands, almost every brand that you buy today in the market, as long as it is a smart TV, most of them comes with Netflix pre-installed. So that's how you can find TV brands that comes with Netflix app or program installed. For mobile devices, you don't have any issue as long as you can download it. We have the options for Android phone or tablets, iPhone or iPads, Amazon tablets, as well as Windows tablets. You can all get this Netflix account or Netflix app by simply downloading them if the app didn't come pre-installed. And of course, for computers, you don't also have any issue because you can easily gain this or download this or visit the official Netflix website directly. So that's how you can find list of TVs that support Netflix. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.